This is called shadow box. It is usually used for decoration for your home or your working desk. It makes a really fantastic view in night. You will feel relieved when looking at it. This box is made from MDF wood and Arduino UNO. You can make it by yourself by my instruction. Let's see how it's made on Engineer to You channel. Main controller of the box is from Arduino UNO. It will receive command from infrared remote control to adjust intense light of LED strip. Button 1, 2, and 3 are used to control each color red, green, and blue, while pound key is used to turn off all of them. The LED strip has 3 colors, red, blue, and green. Mixing intents of each color will make new color. For example, mixing between red and blue will become a pink color. So, red, blue, and green LED strip can make various kinds of color. Those 3 colors are controlled by PWM signal from Arduino UNO. PWM is called pulse width modulation, in which can change duty cycle from 0 to 100%. Duty cycle represents for average voltage. When duty cycle is 0%, then average voltage is 0%. When duty cycle is increasing, average voltage also increasing. Increasing is until maximum value 100%. PWM from Arduino UNO can only make average voltage from 0 to 5 volt, while LED strip need 12 volt. So we use transistor to control voltage for LED from Arduino UNO. Transistor acts as a switch. When base pin is 5 volt, then switch is closed. 0 volt, the switch is opened. PWM pulse is fed into base pin. Switch will on and off as duty cycle of PWM pulse to adjust average voltage and current for LED strip. In summarize, we made a circuit like this. 3 colors of LED strip are controlled by PWM with support of transistor. Infrared receiver is connected to pin 14 to get command from remote. The purpose of Arduino code is to receive command from infrared remote, then sort out what kind of command to adjust the LED light. This is just a code as my opinion. You can change them as you wish. All above presentation is how Arduino controls the LED light. Next is section how to install them to make a shadow box. In this video, I will not tell you about how to make a box and the scene which will be presented in next video. I hope you love this project. All sources are downloadable in description section of this video, so you can make it your own the shadow box for yourself or for your friends in next coming Christmas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel to get new video project. See you next time.